In this video, I will show how to get back English in Excel. So a very simple and easy way. Click on this first option in left side panel. Now here you have to click on this third option in bottom side left corner. Now here you have to click on this fifth option. In any language you have to select this sixth option. Make sure you have to select this sixth option. Now here select English. Now here click on this first option. Now here click on this option. So as we can see, English is first language. Now click on OK. Again click on OK. Now close your Excel and all office programs. And reopen your Excel. So as we can see, English is back in office programs. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.